What's up, guys? So today I want to do a little bit of an experiment that I've been wanting to do for a while. Now, before I even get started, I have tried to do this 2 times before today, and it has either been too windy or just bad weather, or I've had a technical issue or something. So today I finally got it, but not without issues. I broke my antennas on a crash the other day, and I fail-safed twice today at full speed while trying to determine the results here. But anyway, so what I've got is I've chosen 4 different props, different pitch props, to try and understand what the relationship between pitch and top speed of a prop is. I'm just talking purely top speed. Let's forget about what the control feels and the handling, right? Let's just talk about top speed. So I've got a 5x4.3 pitch V1S as my starting prop. Then I'm going to a medium pitch prop in a 5040 Dow Cyclone, or 5045 Dow Cyclone. Then I've gone to my highest pitch prop that I have in my desk with me, which is a Gemfan 5152 tri-blade. And to end it up, I'm going to be comparing the tri-blade to the bi-blade to see if there's a difference in speed with that. This is a 5152 Gemfan bi-blade as well. As far as the setup, I've got the Catalyst Machine Works America frame. This is a very, very good frame for speed because you can just tell how aerodynamic it is. It's going to be pretty quick, pretty slim through the air. The powertrain, I'm going to be using the Rotor Riot Hype Train Umagod motors, Umagod Edition, 2150 kV. I'm going to be running them on 6S to get some good speed. That's nothing crazy as far as just trying to do speed, but it should be fast, and it should also help with the reliability as far as not asking too much of the battery and not getting any crazy amp draw or temperature from the motors, so I can kind of replicate the same circumstance every time I'm trying out a new prop, and hopefully get the most accurate results. So hope that's how it is. I've already done the test. Before I take you guys to the field, I'll let you know I had a little bit of an issue with the DVR on the first 1 or 2 runs where it's kind of just black and white. I don't know why. After that, it's fine. Like I said, I had damaged antennas, so I did fail-safe twice, but I was able to get the results, and I was very surprised by them. So we'll see what you guys think, and let me know your thoughts. I didn't think that there would be so much difference as I saw today. So let me know why you think that is, or if this is what you expected. Really quick before we go back onto the field, I'm just going to be measuring out a distance and then timing the run, see how fast I can cover that distance with each different prop, and really see what the speed difference is between each prop. I have done, like I said, I've done this test before, and I know that with a timing system, I was doing a loop before to get the time through or average time in the distance covered, and I know that by comparing it to the DVR and then timing the DVR, I was getting the exact same kind of lap times or split times. So I'm just going to be using the DVR. I know it's not exactly 100% accurate, but it will give just a good indication exactly of the difference between each prop and the speed, or pretty close to the actual speed. So yep, I know it's not perfect, but it's what I've got. So hopefully some good information and value to the video. Let's go to the field. Okay, so it's pretty close to about where I feel comfortable in terms of how close I am to the road. So I'm gonna stop it here at 0.10, so a tenth of a mile, and we will then average out the speed by getting the time it takes to run this distance. Alright, here we go for the first run. Ready there. We're gonna do, I want to do three full passes on each. So 3 runs back and forth on each set of props. Get an average from each way, just in case there's a difference in a tailwind or something like that. I'll hook up to a ground station so it's better DVR quality that I can overlay here. I'm maxed out on my camera angle in the Catalyst Machine Works America, so we will see what that's like at full speed. Start the DVR. Alright, so we are good to go. Sure it's recording there. Okay. Just want to warm up the pack a little bit, just in case it's a little cold since the first run. That's what 3 runs should help, is making sure there's no more sag on one run than the other, because it's cold. So let's see. All right, that's pretty good. And we'll head back. Man, that's fast. It sounds crazy loud.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Alright, let's go for a second run. So hard to tell with how delayed the sound gets to me. It's a little scary, a little tricky, but kind of cool. Alright, let's see what we'll do. Go back here. Oh no, I'm gonna redo that. Redo that pass and get a good start. Alright.
20 seconds.
Alright, do one more. Alright, ready to go with the second set of props here. Put on the fresh battery. While we go this one, the other battery is recharging as well. Alright, plug in.
Timer reset.
Alright, see what this is the Dow Cyclone 5045. See what this got. Again, I'll try to warm up the pack just a little bit. Alright, and we'll go for our first pass. I don't know, can't really tell if it felt any faster. I guess we'll see what the actual speed says. And on the way back, yeah, it feels very similar to the 4.3 pitch HQ, so I guess we'll see. Alright, go for run number 2.
Time remaining 1 minute.
And I'm not sure what happened. Okay, next up, 51, 52 tri-blades. I believe this should be quite a significant step up in grip from, or not in grip, in speed, just from what I feel, just when I'm racing or practicing on these compared to the other ones. They are a little bit too amp hungry for my liking, on a normal course. That's why I don't use them as much, but they should give us plenty of speed here. All right, let's see what we got. Then we'll try to warm up the pack some. All right.
-1 minute.
Run number 1. All right. Let's go back now. Yeah, man. I think this is definitely faster. Oh, it just feels really accelerates too. Yeah, it really accelerates too. All right, we're gonna get on for run number 3. All right. Or run number 2, I should say. All right. Then head back.
-2 minutes.
Oh yeah, I think it's definitely faster. I have to adjust a lot less for the pitch, not losing as much altitude, so they're definitely producing more thrust. Okay, ready for the last run. 51-52 bi-blades. I suspect that this might be even faster than the tri-blades. They should be in theory, and should pull more RPM is really what they should be doing. So hopefully that does translate into more speed. So we will see. Okay. All right. Here we go.
-3 minutes.
Yeah, it's a bi-blade. They always sound different. Wow, yeah, I think that definitely felt faster. I don't know if it looked any faster. Alright. Yeah, let's make the run back. Oh, that's gotta be faster. Alright, go for a second run.
-4 minutes.
All right. Let's see what we got. And one more run. I honestly think I am fail-safing or something. That's what it feels like I'm losing control of it. Well, anyway, I think that should be a good indication of the speed. Okay, I found the issue here. I had a crash yesterday. I was flying in a track. I didn't think I had any damage, but I just took off the antenna tubes. And look at that. I don't know if you can see that, but it's not supposed to look like that. You're supposed to have the actual... I guess this is just a protector over the, I don't know, whatever receives the signal, right? The wavelength. And yeah, I guess that's why I was having those issues. But hopefully I got enough runs to get, be able to tell the speed.